Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to know if someone restricted you on Facebook. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to know if someone actually restricted you on Facebook and you're wondering how to exactly know if someone actually did restrict you, well, the first thing that you need to understand is knowing if someone restricted you is quite tricky. So there are signs here that you need to look for, and they are something really specific. Now, the first thing that you may want to do here is you may need to visit their profile. Now, typically, their profile is the first indication here. Now, if you visit their profile, like just if you example this, like let's go and just pretend this is a friend's profile that I'm visiting. But typically, if you visit their profile and you notice a big jump on their post, like for example, you're seeing like posts from 2025, and then suddenly a year gap in their post, well, typically that may be a sign that you may be restricted. Now, to really see if someone actually restricted you, I would highly recommend you to ask a trusted friend and ask them to visit the same profile and see if they actually see the same thing. So if they do see the same thing, it means that they probably haven't restricted you. But if they're seeing something and they're seeing more posts on their side, well, there's a big possibility that that someone or that friend actually restricted you. Now, another thing that you may need to check out here is going to be your friends list. So if you go to your profile, let's go and just go back here. Let's go and click on our profile, and let's go to our profile here. And if you go to your friends here and try searching for that friend in the search friend section in your profile, and you are unable to find them in your friends list, well, there's a big possibility that they may have restricted you. So typically, if they don't appear in here, that's a big indicator. Now, also, if you try posting something in your account and suddenly you can't tag them in that post or in a comment, well, again, it's a big indicator here that they may have restricted you. Now, another thing that you may need to basically check here is going to be other methods or other platforms that Facebook is connected. So that includes what we call Messenger. So Messenger here is the Messenger app. So this is where you message someone inside the platform. But typically, inside the Messenger app here, you'll be able to determine if someone basically restricted you. So this is the surefire way to determine if someone restricted you. So first, if you try calling them and they don't answer, it just keeps ringing or it just suddenly drops, well, it's a good indicator that they may have restricted you. Now, the thing with restrictions or with restricted status here, typically they will not hear you calling them. So that's what restrictions is. Even though you try calling them, they will not be notified of that call. So that's why it keeps dropping, and that's a huge indicator that they have restricted you. Now, another thing that you may want to see here, or you may want to know here, is if you try sending someone a message, like for example, if you send a message to someone and it only says sent, it means that there's a big possibility here that basically they may have restricted you. So typically, if it's just sent, it's a big sign. And also, if you try looking at their profile and it doesn't say any active status on their account, and like let's just say you ask your other friends if someone is active or that friend is active, and it shows that they're active, and but in your case they're not active, well, there's a big possibility that they have restricted you. So that's why you can't see their status. So yeah, so those are the signs that you may need to look out for, especially if everything actually matches that. So there's a big possibility that you've been restricted, unfortunately. But that's about it. So if you found this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.